All right, so we got a little bit sick of subway tile because on the last project we did so much of white subway tile. So today we tried something new and it's called hydro dipping. So we hydro dipped our subway tile. So let me show you what it looks like. Hey, well, here's the review of the hydro dip subway tiles that we did. I think it looks wicked cool, but some of the questions were like if it's gonna come off. So I did this like 3 hours ago. I'm sure it's not completely, like it's dry to the touch, it's not sticky anymore, but let me see if it comes off. Super easy. I think if I wait longer, it'll probably be a little bit harder, but it definitely scratches off. So these subway tiles that I use are like very high gloss tiles. So I think in the future, if I was to do this differently, I'd probably spray some type of primer that would really stick nicely to the gloss on here, and then give a nice bonding surface on this. I think this would be really cool to do like as a flag color or like Marvel colors, some cool stuff like that.